Alright, what's up guys? Just a quick update. I know I haven't vlogged, I haven't even picked up the camera since we came back from Florida. That's a long ways ago. We are going to Hawaii for mine and Mary Lou's 10th year anniversary. Our anniversary was actually the 31st, but it fell on when we're actually leaving, so it's the weekend and we're going to Hawaii. Yeah, it's going to be really special. Going to spend a lot of our time there for our anniversary. But yeah, it's something we've always wanted to do. Mary Lou went there when she was a teenager, and I've never been there. And what more to go? You know, Hawaii. It's a beautiful place. We're also spending time at Aulani. Mary Lou loves Disney. I like Disney, but not as much as her. She loves Disney. So yeah, I can't wait for this trip. Oh, we'll see you guys later. We are on our way to get our COVID tests right now. I'm first getting some Dunkin' Donuts coffee. The line's kind of long, but we'll see you at the COVID test in downtown Las Vegas.
How are you? How many are testing?
Two.
I need photo IDs and I need your email confirmation.
Okay.
And then just make sure your phone number and your birthday are correct on there.
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Thank you. Yeah, so our flight is Saturday night. Got to do the test 72 hours before.
And she's getting
To the day. Not the hour. Got to do it.
Okay, Angie, that one is yours.
Thank you.
And then Mary Lou, that one is yours.
Thank you.
And you guys are going to go right down Station 1, stop behind that car, and then somebody will come out and show you what to do.
All right, thank you very much.
Another car in Station 1.
What station?
Going to Station 1, right here.
How are you?
Hello.
Hi. You home testing?
Yes.
Just the two of you?
Yes.
Because I just can't see.
Oh, yeah.
So take a look at that label and make sure that your name is spelled correctly and your date is spelled correctly. Your birth date is correct. Step your bag out onto your lap.
Do we need the ID still?
No. Not anymore.
All right.
They come out of that stuff in the bag. Put it on your red tube lengthwise. Flip it upside down. There you go. The two that stay in there, stay in there.
Ready.
There you go. Yeah. Perfect. When you're done with that, you can blow your nose.
It's okay if it's hanging on?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Break it at the perforation. Don't let your stick fly out. It will fly out if you don't hold it well.
Okay, so like
Put
this?
it in, break it, put your lid on.
Like inside the tube?
Nope, just take
Oh,
that,
there.
throw that away. That's that broken part. And then put that tube in your bag. So, within 12 to 36 hours, you're going to get the results by text or email. Don't seal the bag. I'll take it.
Oh, sorry.
No, that's okay. You didn't know. I didn't speak up soon enough.
Okay.
12 to 36 hours, you'll get the results by text or email. On the bottom's a link. Click on that link and the PDF comes up with the results. That's what you're going to send to Safe Travels Hawaii. Take a picture for the airport.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh my god.
Are you going to put that in?
Oh my goodness. Yeah, sure. That was calling me. That was the worst.
Oh my
Stuff
god.
started flying on my mouth. Sorry. How come you didn't sneeze?
I have no clue.
Oh, that was burning.
Did you like put it all the way up?
Yeah, but that's what I'm supposed to.
Okay.
I hope nothing got on her.
No.
Okay.
She backed away.
Oh. We're gonna go eat breakfast here downtown at Public Us. I don't think we can go in there. Yeah, other entrance. Where's the thing? Alright, the first thing that came out already was Mary Lou's macadamia nut latte with an extra espresso shot. Can you handle it?
Of course.
And then this is a palate cleanser.
Yeah.
What's in there?
It's
Just
just
lime,
sparkling water.
Sparkling water and lemon peel. You eat the lemon peel?
No.
Alright, baby, add that espresso shot to there. These are the delicious waffles that we've filmed before, but it looks very good. Cut into it right there. I got the corned beef hash. I didn't know it came with bread, but it's okay. We overused the egg. Bam. Let's break that egg. Boom.
Want a potato?
Yeah, get some potato food. I don't know what the sauce is.
Let me see.
It's very good. We go eat. What's up, everybody? It's the 2nd today of April and Friday. We got our results in for the COVID test that is required 72 hours before our Hawaii trip. We were super nervous. RJ and Kaylana actually got theirs maybe within an hour or 3 hours. They got their test results within 3 hours, negative of course, and we were just super stressed out because we thought we weren't going to get it in time. But eventually we did get it at 1 a.m. This morning. But we didn't want to, film it right then and there, so we just waited until now. But we did enter in all the information into the website that is required right here. So since we have all our information, our negative test, we'll go here to safehawaiitravel.gov, and I'm already logged in. And always got to make sure that you have your right trip in, which we already did. And go back to home, go over here to documents and upload file, and then you select your trip, then select who you are, COVID test, provider, which is for us, it was Hawaiian Airlines, Worksite Labs, standard Hawaii form. And then you go and choose your file, drag and drop, or just pick your name. Well, if wherever you saved it as, make sure it's a PDF. And then you open it, and then you submit. I don't need to submit it because I already did. Right here, negative, not detected. Obviously, we wouldn't submit it if it was a positive test. So there's that. And then do it for everybody in your party. And then we just wait until 24 hours, which is, what, 1:45 is our takeoff time tomorrow night or early Sunday morning. So I got to wait 24 hours, which is tonight at 1:45. And then you fill up this questionnaire. See, it says right here, health questionnaire is only available for your trip, 24 hours of flight. And oh yeah, after filling out that health questionnaire, you will get a QR code. Make sure you print out your negative test and print out your QR code too, just in case you can't pull it up on your phone or whatnot. So you have a paper copy, so you can just show them there and then, and it'll be easy passage into Hawaii. With the QR code, you have to show that to just security when you land in Hawaii, and when you also get there, you get if you're staying at Aulani, you get a separate line, so you don't have to wait in the long line going to other hotels or just exiting the airport. So hopefully there's not that big of a line when we go. That'd be great. But yeah, that's it. And you also got to show it to your hotel as well. Everywhere you go, basically, when you step foot into Hawaii. I don't think leaving Hawaii you don't need to show them anything. All right, we will see you maybe later. We're just packing right now, finishing up packing. We're almost done. And then RJ and Kaylana come at 3 p.m. tomorrow, and then we leave from there. See you guys later.